Thanks, Evan. I'm Michael Littman from the Rutgers Computer Science Department. I'm here representing the Upod research group. Now, I wanted to start off with a demo that you will find truly amazing, something you've never ever seen before. Okay, so you ready? So here's what I'm going to do. I've got this, this switch over here. It has a little 1 and a little 0 on it. I'm going to flip it to 1, and a light goes on. Cool, right? All right. But there's more. I'm now going to flip it to 0, and the light goes off. Okay, so maybe that's not so exciting. You've all seen light switches before. But here's the thing. I want you to think about this a little bit differently. Instead of seeing it just as a light switch that directly connects the switch on the wall to the lamp, I want you to think of the light switch as actually being a simple conditional statement in a computer program. And the computer program is a really simple computer program, granted. It just says, if switch on, light on. If switch off, light off. But it's still an interesting thing to do. And once you start thinking about things that way, you can imagine that lots of things in your house actually have a very similar structure. So you can think about a DVR, recording on a DVR. You might have it say something like, if Snooki is on, then record program. Or not record program. If the time is 7 in the morning, then start the coffee maker. So lots of the things that are already in your house have a similar kind of structure to it, which is great, and that gives us the household devices that work out really well. The problem, of course, is that these programs are completely inflexible. The button on the outside of your house, when you push it and it makes the doorbell sound, that's all that button can do. You actually have to go and rip out the wires if you wanted to do something else. And that doesn't seem right to us as computer scientists. So our goal in the Upod project is to change all that. So this is what actually made that light switch go on a moment ago. This is a little program that Phil's put together just before, and it looks just the way that I said it looks. It says, when the switch is off, turn the lamp off. When the switch is on, turn the lamp on. And that's what makes the lamp go. This is literally what's controlling the lamp right now. Each of the devices that we have here is on the internet and is communicating with the server so that when we change tasks in the interface, they actually change in real life. So just to show you how this works, let's create a new task. So what we're going to do is create a task that will tell me, these talks are very, very short. It's going to warn me when the talk is over. So here's when it should be over. And so what we're going to do, we're going to choose a device, in particular the clock, and we're going to say when the current time is, let's say 2 minutes from now. It's currently 5:39 p.m., so let's say 5:41 p.m. So that's the condition. And when that's true, then this is what we're going to make happen. We're going to play a sound. And that sound is going to play a warning sound to tell me that I need to get off the stage. And we're going to check to see that the speakers are actually on right now. Does your laptop work? Okay, good. Great. Okay, so while we're waiting for this to go... Yeah. What's the matter? Oh, did I read it wrong? This is the problem with reading glasses. Oh, you're right. Okay, let's... we're going to edit the task. Let's go back. When the current time is 5:22 p.m. We'll do the same thing. We'll play the warning sound. Oh, good, which is alright. We didn't have to change that. Alright, good. Let's go for it. Thanks. Good catch, you guys. Okay, so while we're waiting for me to get kicked off the stage, let's set up another one. So in this case, we're going to set up a thermostat. You have thermostats in your house. This is how we're going to actually make a thermostat using this system. So the trigger now is going to be the temperature, the ambient temperature. So we're going to say when the temperature is above, does that work? Do we know if that works? Let's say when the current temperature is between 41 and 60 degrees, what we're going to do is we're going to turn on a fan to cool things off. The same box that has the switch on it is actually a generalized sensor box for us at the moment. It's on the internet, has a motion sensor, a temperature sensor, a sound sensor, and a switch. And so we're going to give this a try. Let's see what happens. Task added. All right. So now, while I'm continuing to talk, it's waiting on the time being the right time and the temperature being the right temperature in order for it to do something. Now, we're not sure how to make it, we're not going to wait for it to get hot. We're going to make things hot by actually turning on a space heater, blowing it at the thermometer. You wouldn't want to do that at home, so don't try this at home. All right, so while we're waiting for this to happen, I want to thank the team who actually is here, Vukosi, Pratik, Samin, Philip, Jordan, Gall, we have Monica and Blaze and a bunch of others, and that means we're out of time. So good, that worked. But I'm going to go on a little bit anyway. Let's go back to the create a task menu. I just want to show you some of the other things that you can build with this kind of system. Click on the trigger. So we can key off of lots of different things. One of them that we've played with is energy price-based dimming, right? So you have something that says, if the cost of electricity goes above a certain point, dim the lights in your house. Another one that we've thought about and played with is a Twitter-activated space heater. So if there's some kind of hot topic being discussed, you can actually make your house hot. Maybe not so useful. A speech-activated camera that actually takes your picture when you say cheese. And various other things. Anything that could be on the internet, your smartphone and so forth, they can all trigger these devices to work. So just to wrap up, the fan never actually took off, did it? The temperature is in Celsius, by the way. That's why 40, it's not that cold in here. We think this is going to work? Just let it go? Or... Oh look, the fan came on. Alright, so just to wrap up, I just want to say, my goal here is that I'd really like to live in a world where I can actually make my devices do what I want them to do. And I'm pretty sure everyone else does too, they just don't know it yet. So thanks a lot for listening.